Merry Christmas from Mr. Whiskers. No, I've all over your face. Whoa, there. You got scraped. What'd you do, Whiskers? What the fuck did you do there? Hey, you poor cat, what you been doing to yourself? Hey? He's happy all the time, eh? Hey, what you been doing to yourself? Stop trashing yourself, cat. Hey? Why are you, bloody redneck? Stop trashing yourself. Hmm? What you been doing to yourself, cat? Why are you making a shaky head? Hey? Where's Charlotte, huh? Top cat. G'day viewers, well I had to put my Wi-Fi out here, but it's bloody Windows XP to download stuff. It was giving me false readings. It said it had perfect reception and everything. My ass, this thing was right. That was way off. Pulled out there and everything downloads properly. I don't know what is it with Windows XP and Wi-Fi. It's always been slow. I had to do an update in the router. The router needed its firmware updated because the downloads were bloody slow. I could upload to YouTube alright, but downloading and watching videos, might as well go to the video. I might as well fly to America and go with you personally and watch us make a video. It'll be quicker than my bloody download speeds. So, yeah, that's how the download speeds were before, but now it's actually going pretty good now. Our speed's back up. Yep, that's about the best we can get around here. Between that and 160 kilobytes per second is our best speed around here. It's doing a lot better than what it was before, so yeah, let's try and download too. I finally got this to work. I couldn't download the .NET framework for this to work. Oh, it was just a nuisance how slow the internet was going. But the firmware update took care of everything. I've also dusted this thing out, took the two fans out and put them in here. Because this is too good to catch dust in here. Way too good for in this dusty environment. So I'm going to try and preserve this and have it as a third or another computer I can use indoors. It's a too good a machine to just sit out here in the man cave. The board's okay, it's not too dirty. Had a bit of spider webs in there actually. I do quite like that motherboard, little P5QL VM EPU. This version only has two RAM slots, so it's only got one channel RAM, but it's a very good quality machine. The Windows Experience Index is all on the 7s, except for the graphics card, which is 4.9. But Windows 10. They got rid of the Windows Experience, so you can't rate your computer or do benchmarks. I wish Microsoft would reintroduce that. Anyway, let's have some fun with this. What else could I... I've got to see a false something from the last microwave that popped. I wonder if I still got it. It's got the bulb at sulfur chuck in here. Let's see how if it lights up on this one. This really didn't do much in the ZVS, but light up like normal. So let's finish it off. Oh, mercury. There we go, light again. Plasma. There. Bit warm and sunny. Oh, hot. Ready to go by. Ready to go pop and bang this one. Yeah, the stems, the connections burnt off. There we are. Finished off the CFL. And that's the CFL that supposedly killed the last microwave I had for fun. What else could be microwave? Let's try the other half of that mirror and that CFL again. Don't go too long on the mirror. Wow, pretty. Look at that. That's how you do it. Oh, elephant hawk moth. Whatever he came from. He can get on the rotisserie and get cooked. No, CFO's dead. Must have vented then. Elephant hawk moth must already be dead. Not even getting warm, yeah. I think it vented. Mirror looks cool though, doesn't it? Nice. PS software. It came with an old Samsung handset mobile phone. And the capacitor in the middle of it. Pretty. Vibe God, that was the closest one. On the photo degrees Celsius, caps on. Let's see if it'll make that pops on. It's already popped, so it's a bulge when I got off it on power supply. No, got nothing in it. Oh, barely even got warm. Crap of a thing. That one's dead. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.